There has been a lot of buzz on the internet about DeepSeek AI lately. Now, imagine if DeepSeek AI could help you generate a passive income of $20,000 a month. Sounds like a mystery, right? But it's real because DeepSeek AI has opened up huge opportunities for you.
January 27th, 2025 may go down in history as DeepSeek Day.
DeepSeek?
DeepSeek.
DeepSeek. Chinese startup.
Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make it happen. Don't skip the video, watch it till the end. There's a special bonus tip at the end. Let's get started. 1. YouTube and TikTok automation with DeepSeek AI. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche topics that get high views and good income. Motivation and self-improvement, success stories, quotes, tech and AI updates, ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI tools, online income ideas, freelancing, investments, business, fun facts and history, science facts, mysterious events, health and lifestyle, weight loss, fitness tips. Use Google Trends or answer the public to find trending topics. The process of creating scripts with DeepSeek AI. Write in DeepSeek AI, write a YouTube short scripts that can get 100k views, or you can write 30-second viral scripts for TikTok videos. This will automatically create beautiful scripts for you, AI. Now, you have to come to 11labs.io. Now, we will create AI voice from 11labs.io. That is, we will prepare the voice that is needed in the video from now on. In the meantime, we will paste the scripts that we have prepared from DeepSeek AI here. We can see here that there are different types of models. Now, we will choose any model for free. Moreover, you can now change the different options of the voice as you like. Now click on Generate Speech and generate your voice and click here to download it. We have prepared the script from DeepSeek AI and prepared the voiceover from 11labs.io. Now we will do video editing. CapCut and KineMaster are the best for editing on mobile. It is very easy for our video editing. Moreover, for computer, we can use CapCut Desktop or Final Cut Pro. If we search on YouTube to learn how to use it, we will be able to see thousands of videos and we can learn it very easily. How to earn with this? After joining the YouTube Partner Program, you will be paid based on views. For this, you will need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. You will also be notified if you are eligible for the TikTok Partner Program. You can also earn a huge amount through affiliate marketing. For example, if your niche is tech, you can market various types of digital products, or if you have a health-related niche, you can do affiliate marketing of various types of products that we use every day. For this, you have to join the Amazon Affiliate Program or ClickBank. You can also take sponsorship from various brands. If you promote their brand with this sponsorship, the brand will pay you a specified amount of money. You can also earn by selling digital products yourself, such as ebooks, courses, or guides. Rules for uploading videos. You will upload 3 to 5 videos every day at different times. Do this for a week and then analyze it to see when you get the most views. Target this time and keep uploading regular videos from the second week. Also, share the same content on all platforms such as YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, TikTok, Instagram Reels, etc. Ask DeepSeek AI to get new content ideas regularly, then you will get a collection of content. Number 2. Create and sell AI-powered SEO reports with DeepSeek AI. It is possible to easily earn money by creating SEO reports using DeepSeek AI. This method is perfect for freelancers, digital marketers, and website owners. Step-by-step guide. Make money by creating SEO reports. 1. Analyze content with DeepSeek AI. Give DeepSeek AI a website link or specific keywords and it will give you important SEO-related information. Keyword optimization. Report content, gap analysis. On-page SEO recommendations too. Analyze website with Google and Ahrefs. Create website audit reports using Google, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest with DeepSeek AI. Which pages have SEO problems? Find loading speed and technical SEO issues. Perform backlink and competitor analysis. 3. Offer SEO report services on Fiverr and Upwork. Sell SEO audit reports generated using DeepSeek AI on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Service ideas: complete SEO audit report plus fixing guide. AI-powered keyword research and SEO strategy. Deep website audit and SEO optimization plan. 4. Sell reports to small businesses and bloggers. Many local businesses want help with SEO optimization. Find local businesses and bloggers on Google and offer reports to them. An AI-generated SEO report can cost $50 to $300. How to earn more? Use DeepSeek AI Plus, Google Plus RFs, combo find clients on Facebook and LinkedIn, list 3 to 4 SEO report services on Fiverr. Number 3. AI-powered product descriptions. Did you know that you can easily earn $1,000 plus per month by writing e-commerce product descriptions using DeepSeek AI? Today, I'll show you how. The importance of writing product descriptions with AI online Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or other e-commerce store merchants are always looking for attractive product descriptions. Good SEO optimized and conversion enhancing descriptions increase sales significantly. This is your chance. Using DeepSeek AI, you can quickly write high-quality product descriptions and earn income from freelancing or your own online store. How to earn money by writing product descriptions with DeepSeek AI. Step 1. Log in to DeepSeek AI. Come to DeepSeek AI and copy the prompt from the description box we provided and paste it here. And replace the product name and desired length. Prompt example. Write a compelling and SEO-optimized product description for product name. Highlight its key features, benefits, and unique selling points in a clear and engaging manner. Use persuasive language, incorporate relevant keywords naturally, and maintain a concise yet informative tone. Ensure readability, include a call to action, and aim for a word count of desired length. Optimize for both search engines and user experience. Step 2. Sell on freelancing platforms. Offer e-commerce product description writer services on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. You can charge $10 to $50 per description. Step 3. Reach out to Shopify, Amazon merchants. Find Shopify and Amazon store owners on Google and offer them via email or social media. Step 4. Open your own Shopify/WooCommerce store. If you have your own online store, use DeepSeek AI to write high-quality product descriptions and increase sales. Pro tips: take bulk orders. Once you have experience, offer for 100 plus products. Learn SEO-friendly writing. Understand how to use DeepSeek AI to rank on Google. Deliver fast. AI lets you write faster, so deliver to clients faster. How do you get started? Write product descriptions using DeepSeek AI. Offer services on Fiverr or Upwork. Find clients and earn $1,000 plus per month. Want to know more about it? Let us know in the comments. Blast off!